What's up, motherfuckers? Dirty Steve here, back at it. Uhaul van build. Been a minute. Sorry about it, but it's been fucking hot. So, I've been working on the ceiling. I bought all this shiplap, painted it all, and I tried to put it up there yesterday. It just really didn't work out. So, fuck that shit. Got something else, working on it. So, we're just gonna get at it. I'll see you when the video's over. Dirty Steve, back at it, getting this ceiling done. Check it out. Yes sir, yes sir. I haven't done this part yet. Still gonna put my fan in. Hopefully do that tomorrow when it's not raining. Cool temperatures. Still hot in here, but man, it's been hot lately, so sorry it's been a minute. Shower. Floor, dirty ass floor right now. Dirty ass floor. Got cabinets up. Sorry, it's such a mess in here, but it's cool. We're gonna get back at it, get things rolling. Off to the walls next. Like, comment, subscribe. Dirty Steve living free. Peace, motherfucks.